Hi guys, welcome back for another video review. And here I'm back after many 2 years with a review of M.A.S.K Firefly. And as you can see, here is Julio Lopez with the M.A.S.K vehicle called Firefly, and he is basically in his 26 26 number here. His colors orange, white, and here is the overall look at the vehicle. Okay, this is the original Firefly, and this is Julio Lopez with a mask, and you can fit it right in. This figure is slightly articulated on the legs. Okay, 2 point of articulation. Okay, and here's the figure. He sits in this seat here. You can put him in. You can put him, sliding him right in here. Okay, and as you know, this M.A.S.K toy, you can see that he has a good rubber tires. Here he says Goodyear. Okay, and all M.A.S.K figures have a gimmick in regards to the vehicles. This one, if you press the lever here, push it back, it will trigger this open as an aeroplane. Okay, you can this is a wingspan. It's a wingspan here. You can open this in front, and you have a small Gatling gun here, which you can pivot left and right. Okay, the stickers. This is the a hundred percent complete mask. You can see here the stickers still intact. Okay, back here you have the tires basically rotated to the back here. Here's the bottom, and at the bottom, if you click on this lever here, okay, there will be an opening. It will drop down, and it will basically drop down the uh, bomb. Okay, you can see there's an opening here. Okay, you can put the bomb in again. All right, you can just put it out right just like this. All right, in order to put this back, just put this back into place. Okay, and you're back in vehicle mode. All right, and you can see that basically this is a old figure. You can see there's some deterioration in the chrome parts at the back, but still in perfect condition. All right, right now this concludes the review of Firefly from M.A.S.K.